Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, I am Elleece London, and for those who do know me and who are familiar with my channel, a warm welcome back. And I hope you all had a very blessed Christmas. And in today's video, we're going to be reviewing a wig from Niawigs. I've worked with this company before, and that was where I was installing a headband wig. So they sent me over the Yaki straight bob wig in the length 12 inches. I think it is a 13x6. I'm not too sure, but I'll leave all the hair information details down below in the description box for you. So here I'm just showing you what came inside of the box alongside of the hair. And guys, I'm not even got a front. Yeah, this wig literally mimics my natural hair texture, and if I had long natural hair now, this would be it. I'm telling you, no cap. And in today's video, this is going to be a very detailed video from start to finish, literally. So if you are still interested in watching today's video, then just keep on watching. And you're going to be seeing me bleaching this unit all the way down to perming this unit. So if you guys want to see a whole nother separate video on how I go into deep detail, then just let me know in the comment section below. So here now I'm just going to be doing the whole bleaching process. So as you all may know, you put in the powder and then you mix it with your volume developer until it's like a thick kind of paste, kind of like toothpaste. And then I'm just going to apply it to where the lace is, because as you can see here, there's not much lace on this unit because there's already a sewn on fake scalp. So I'm just going to apply the bleach to the hairline. And I'm doing this why? Because in today's video, I really want this wig to melt proper. And I let that bleach sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then I went in and washed it all out with my Shimmer Lights shampoo. So now what you're going to see me do is perm the hairline and the top, just so that it will make it more laid. And guys, when you are perming your units, I advise you to wear gloves because this can get messy. And after I finished, I let that sit for about 20 to 30 minutes and then I washed it out. And once I finished washing the hair all out, I then went ahead and blow dried the wig until dry. And once I finish blow drying, these are the end results. So that is all the customization done and out of the way. Now I'm going to move on to installing this unit and styling it also. And one thing, guys, what I've noticed about this wig is that it's very thick and full and true to density. The lace colour is not matching my skin tone at all, so what I'm going to do is add a bit of my foundation to the lace just so that it will blend in much better. And guys, be prepared to be blown away because I was literally shook at this point. What? This is scalp. So next what I'm going to do is cut the lace into 4 sections and glue down the lace section by section. And I do this why? Because I feel like this is a much more quicker and easier technique to install your wigs, especially for beginners. So I'm going to let the lace glue dry clear and then press the lace with my comb directly into that glue and repeat. And if there's bits of lace lifting up, then you can go in with your Got To Be spray and spray that down. And this lace is so beautiful. Look how it just blends right into my skin. Looks like scalp. And that's how it should be, period. And if your wig don't look like this, then you don't want it. You don't want it, baby. So I'm just repeating the steps until everything is glued down.
Somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and fell a feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a same night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah.
Then after all that, I'm going to get my bandana and wrap it around. And I left the bandana on for about 10 minutes. So are you guys prepared to see the reveal? And I'm just still in awe and I'm still shook because, you know, once you have a good lace, that's when you know that you got a good quality wig on your hands. Period. And this wig is it, baby. And I know the wig came originally straight, but I'm still gonna go in with my straightener and just go through the wig. And I'm gonna go in with my coconut oil hair mist spritz and spritz it throughout the hair just to give it that silky touch and also to give it that extra shine. So yeah guys, in the next coming clips you're just going to be seeing me straightening this hair to my satisfaction. And if you've come 9 minutes in, please do not forget to like and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I decided to wear this wig as the middle part. So I'm just attempting to try make the middle part as straight as possible. Then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and just lay the top to make it flat. Right, so guys, I know you all can see that the scalp is too white and it just makes the wig look wiggy. So what I'm going to do is go in with my concealer and conceal the part. And by doing this, it just makes it look way more natural. So guys, I was going to leave this look as a no baby hair look, but towards the end I decided to add a little bit of minimal baby hair. So after all that, I just went in and added my little headband. So that's literally it, guys. That is all for today's video. I think this wig is the most natural wig that I've ever received from a hair company. The lace is so good, the texture is on point, and it's true to length. The density, the thickness, the fullness, everything is just amazing. So don't be hesitant to purchase this wig. I also want to say a big shout out to Niawigs for sending me this wig, and a huge thank you for the wigs that you've sent to me so far. And if you enjoyed, leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.